This is WOR-AM and WOR-FM in New York.
I am having the best time. We didn't even fix my radio yet, but I learned how to use my tube tester all the way. I did an alignment with a lot of assistance, but I did one, and I know my signal generator works, so I'm happy about that. And we think maybe we found the problem. Definitely a boneheaded mistake that I made, so I'm thinking, I bet you that's it.
Life is good.
Life is good, so I'm waiting to see if we get this resistor in here, and my radio may be good to go, which also means my other chassis probably has the exact same problem, and I can fix that one and do the alignment myself.
What kind of radio?
RCA K80.
Oh, okay.
Love it. So I've got
A-tube, yeah, A-tube console. Yep.
Yeah, love it. So I'm all excited.
I have a K105. It's the same
nice.
finish, 1940.
Awesome.
It's got the sweep dial with the I-tube in the center, right?
Mine has an I-tube, yes. One does, one doesn't.
Okay.
You didn't borrow a 3/8 nut driver, did you?
No, I did not, but you're welcome to use mine if you'd like.
His is lost.
I know, I heard.
didn't borrow it. I swear.
Yeah,
I swear I did it.
OJ did it.
Tom, you think I finished this up? Who does that? The doer or the... You do. Yes, because I'm trying to leave a little early.
Yes, this one. That's the one we just traced a minute ago up to here. Yeah. And four. Pin 4 on 6 F5.
Still waiting my turn. Everybody keeps giving working on.
Is this that Emerson chassis you were telling me about?
Yeah, it's already. This is where it's been. I've been trying to get his time to help me.
Okay.
People keep jumping in front of me.
The picture looks nice.
It's almost okay. It's not square right now.
I mean, Art Carney looks skinny and Jackie Gleason looks fat.
It's not. It's not centered on the set right.
That might be why he was getting that little bit of noise there. I don't know. Okay.
Problem.
Yeah, Chuck, you're like the Statue of Liberty. You got the torch.
Yeah, all set. All right.
Chuck, I found the guy that fixes volume pods. If I can send it to you if you want.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, don't. Yeah, right. We don't know that because we haven't.
What is this, Chuck?
It's a Bendix. I forget now. What we got right here. Hold on. Someplace.
Oh, this is it here?
Yeah.
70. It's one of those.
Yeah. 75.
Yeah, one schematic fits all.
Yeah.
I noticed.
Yeah,
75 P6U.
Ah, okay.
And the radio itself was really nice. I don't know what the deal is with this.
Okay.
Can you really reset? I mean, holy crap.
I heard you playing this before, Phil.
Yeah.
Is it resurrected?
It's resurrected, but I have to tell you, this cabinet is warped. So taking this in and out is...
Oh, so the assembly is... Actually doing the repair was easier than the assembly and the disassembly. There you go. See, you didn't need that. You didn't need a hammer. Orthophonic high fidelity. These things sound really nice. The bigger ones, the console ones. Oh, this is the 3-tube jobber.
Yeah.
There we go.
You can react, the better off you are.
It's alive!
You need to recognize two things. If I did nothing else during this hour, but you now recognize that you need to pay more attention to cybersecurity, you need need to talk to your kids and hopefully have our coworkers about cybersecurity, then I did my job. Remember, you're a target. Cybersecurity is your responsibility. Please.
That's a Model 50?
Yeah,
That's a pretty looking radio.
it is. And somebody had done some work on it, and it was working at his house, but it was tons of static. He could. When he got it here, it was great. It sounded terrific. But we found, I showed you that cap that blew out,
Yes.
and that seemed to raise the. After we changed that out, the volume came up.
Okay.
The variable tuner was flopping in there.
Oh, no, that's no good.
The rivets, so we
that's-
we wedged something in there, and we sort of got that
Made it stationary.
stationary.
Yeah.
Right, and we changed there was another cap in there that was paper that was easy to change. So we changed.
All right.
So it looks like sounds great. We got the volume up, and
Cool.
hunky dory.
Way to go, Doc. Pretty set. Beautiful. Did a good job lining it up too.
Yep.
Oh, that's beautiful. Now, did they paint the whole car, or did they just? They did paint the whole car. That is
There's a
nice.
panel in the trunk left. Let's just paint it. I'll pay the difference. But it actually didn't come out of my pocket because I bought all the parts, and the collision shop usually gets.
Man, it is nice.
And I lost my balance, and I was holding the edge of it.
Oh,
and when
no.
I slipped, I involuntarily.
This is
jerked my
nice.
hair. Yeah, it is. This is a
looking set.
purchase from the auction before last.
Auction before that here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I sort of inadvertently outbid John Ruccolo on it.
Oh well, John's got plenty of radios.
And then he upped me one more time. I said, all right, you win. And he had buyer's remorse, and he sold it back to me for the original price.
Ah, that's John.
Yeah.